Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my first ever video, and this whole channel is going to be based on Roblox games, and with the Roblox games we're going to be playing includes Island Royale, Strucid, and lots of gun games, and Phantom Forces. Hope you guys enjoy. Please, if you see me and you like my videos, drop a sub, drop a like, turn that post notifications on so you never miss a video. Okay, let's get right into the gameplay. Dang it, I died. That guy's actually really good. He lasers people a lot. Oh, I got the jumping glitch. Oof, I died. That guy's pretty good. I'm gonna probably rage, so just watch out. .56 and I just got sniped. No. This guy's a tryhard. Jump. Peek me. I tagged him. No, he's so low. I reckon Phoenix Signs should add a sprinting in Strucid. So if you guys see, I'm pretty trash at the game. As you see, these guys are tryhards as well, so it's pretty difficult to play. So yeah, my building's pretty good. Aim's like Tfue when he was in season 2, and because I'm a complete bot, please don't roast me in the comments, please. I don't want to be roasted. And I just got taking my thing. That guy just got bapped. Oh, hi, Mark. Oh, it's a little default. It's a default. Alright, try hard. Okay, this game needs to fix like this shooting range. Oh, okay, that guy killed me. Well, I tried. Honestly, it's a good attempt of trying. How much frames am I at? It's 40 frames. And the guy just knocked me down to 6 HP. Yay. I'm just gonna met up here. Whew, so I hope you guys are enjoying the gameplay already. Easy kill. What is this kid doing? What I missed? I died. These guys are really good. Oh, I landed on a kid. That kid actually got bumped on. He must be crying right now. Of course it's that guy. Aim practice. You ready? No, are you kidding me? I lasered him. Whoa, I'm lagging. Oh. Kids and their quad launchers. Alright, that was the first round. Got 8 kills. Pretty trash, but who cares? I hope you guys are enjoying the gameplay right now. I'm using, if you're wondering why there's so many clicks, it's my mechanical keyboard, a Razer Cryonis Chroma. My mouse pad is a Razer mouse pad, I forgot what it's called, but it's very light, it's very thick, and also the mouse is a Logitech G300S. You thought. Okay, there's a key behind me, I think. Ah! That hurt. Real bad. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the gameplay. And anytime in the video, if you want, please like and subscribe. I'm not going to be one of those YouTubers who ask for likes 24/7, because that's just not cool. But I hope you guys like the videos that I'm playing. Stole those 2 kills from them. Whoa! Oh! Holy, and I just jumped off the map. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I'm annoyed. These kids need help over here. They took all my shield. I'm annoyed. What is this kid doing? Honestly, all these kids are like just trying to spam and be cool. And there's me, who actually plays the game tactically. How did that kid kill me with a oh my god, the kid's actually a bot. This is probably first kill. And I am beast at gun game, so that's maybe gonna be fun. I just killed that guy. That was great. Oh, there's a kid here, I think. I'm just gonna like. I'm gonna cut this. I can't edit that. Don't interfere me. If I'm doing this, why am I doing this? $28? What do you mean? His head was just peeking. Oh my gosh! You telling me that mess game? And the kid just killed himself. Let me just kill this guy for some shield or health. It's an easy kill. Whoa! How did he do that? I can't aim, my aim's trash. How is that possible? I'm confused. I'm confusion. Ah! I thought I was over with my shotgun. I'm like, why didn't I take that? Why did he take that much damage? And it sounded different. Maybe because I was holding my SMG out. That would make some sense. Holy my aim is trash, okay? I hit him in the head for that much damage. Alright. That was the game there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys all like the video.